Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Amsterdam. You've had plenty of time today to take a deep dive into all the bits and pieces of our all-new Mercedes A-Class. And it's my pleasure now to provide you with a full picture. We sold more than 620,000 compact cars last year all over the world. From my perspective, here are the two signature principles of the new A-Class that I would like you to remember once you get home from Amsterdam. Go first and grow up. The A-Class has a lot of firsts on its more than 20-year-old track record. One of the first is the early A-Class was equipped with electronic stability control, ESP, technology strictly reserved to the S-Class segment at the time. And I don't have to tell you why you came across so many MBUX today. For many A-Class customers in China, it even is their first car ever. With that in mind, the new A-Class will once again be a first mover when it comes to adopting the new sleek and reduced Mercedes exterior design language. The new A-Class boasts an all-new and super clean interior design with its two big screens and superior lighting. The A-Class will be the first Mercedes to be equipped with our entirely new user experience, MBUX. I'm convinced this new system has the potential to turn all we know about the interaction with the car upside down. Let's try this. Hey, Mercedes.
Yes, please.
Tell me a joke, please.
Sorry, my engineers were German.
Okay, fair enough. Humor isn't a major trait you'd expect from your car. Even if, as an engineer, I strongly disagree here. But wait, am I seriously arguing with the car right now? Anyway, I promise this system is really helpful with all things on road. You will have to check it out to experience how well it really works. First of all, we have integrated what three words. These guys have squared off the whole planet in 3x3 meter units. A unique three-word combination makes it easy to navigate to any location. No GPS coordinates or zip codes needed. To arrive here, for instance, you'd simply say, hey Mercedes, navigate to what three words connects drove safety.
Route guidance is starting. You'll arrive in 2 minutes.
These three words do suit the A-Class, but I promise they are a real and random pick. It really is that easy. Second, along the way, drivers will benefit from another new feature I really like. Augmented reality on board. It now shows you where to go next in live view on your screen. And these are just a quick sample of the many features you won't find in any other compact car out there. MBUX is just one example to prove. This car will provide all the latest high-tech at the very same level as our top-of-the-line products. This grown-up A-Class fully incorporates our definition of modern luxury. This compact Mercedes has grown up. And it doesn't only look like a grown-up Mercedes-Benz, it also drives like one. In fact, this A-Class rather drives like a mature C-Class. We have fundamentally enhanced the driving experience by isolating the chassis from the body and improving torsional stiffness. As a result, comfort has grown big time too. Once you get behind the wheel, you'll agree. Our new A-Class offers driving, looks and feel you'd rather expect from a higher segment vehicle. To underline that the new A-Class is the most grown-up compact car out there, you can now order safety and driver assistance systems at S-Class level. It all just comes in a smaller package. Topping this off, there are two more features which are entirely new to Mercedes. And they are two more technology firsts. One is the extended blind spot assist. The car now remains alert for another 3 minutes after parking to watch for approaching cyclists. That's really useful, not just in a city that's widely considered one of the bicycle capitals of the world. The second feature sure will appeal to younger customers. The new A-Class supports casual private car sharing with friends and family. An authorized person will be able to open the car using the Mercedes-Me app for a predefined period of time. They will find and leave the key in the car. Altogether, we believe the all-new A-Class is an outstanding package that combines a revolutionary spirit with a grown-up attitude.